Someone once dared me to try to make a smoothie from scratch with nothing but an egg beater. I told them it wasn't worth the whisk. Here's a better idea. The Ninja BL770 AMZ Mega Kitchen System. We're review to you. We review the latest and greatest products, and when we're done, we give them away free to one lucky subscriber. We'll let you know at the end of this video how you can easily win this product. We've covered blenders, magic bullets, and food processors before on the channel, and they've each brought something to the table. So what's so special about the Ninja BL770 AMZ Mega Kitchen System? Specs and features. So what's included? Well, in the box you'll find a 1500 watt motor base, a 72-ounce total crushing pitcher with a 64-ounce max liquid capacity, an 8-cup food processor bowl, a 16-ounce Nutra Ninja cup with a to-go lid, and also included are 4 different blade assemblies for everything from blending, pulverizing, to dough mixing. On the front of the base you'll find 4 dedicated blending speed options. There's a dough button for mixing pastry, cookie batter, and bread dough, and a blend button for all your smoothies and frappes. And then there's crush, which does exactly what it says on the label, only to ice. And while Ninja claims no tapping is needed to move around unblended ingredients, the pulse button is there to help you dislodge any big chunks. So what do we like about the Ninja BL770 AMZ Mega Kitchen System? For starters, there wasn't anything we threw at it that it couldn't handle. With other blenders, we found ourselves adding additional water or having to open it up to dislodge big chunks that were clogging up the blades. Secondly, the additional single-serve cups and cutting accessories give this food processor much more versatility than meets the eye. And finally, the entire system is dishwasher safe, meaning cleanup is fast and simple. So, what's the downside? It's very loud! So just be careful. So, what are other people saying about the Ninja BL770 AMZ Mega Kitchen System? Amazon user YSAM wrote, "I was a bit wary of the negative reviews. I know things can happen, but I am so glad I got this blender. It processes nuts and soybeans into milks without any trouble." And then YSAM ends the review with an update. 2 years later, and this is still going strong, and I use it a lot. Mitchell H. wrote, "Bought 7 months ago, used less than 30 times, has made many great smoothies. However, it has become nearly impossible to remove any of the units from the base. Where it was once effortless to remove the pitcher, now we worry if the pitcher will shatter from the force necessary to break it free." So, what's the verdict? Another solid food processor / blender that doesn't exactly reinvent the wheel, but for the price and the fact that we're big fans of Ninja, we think it's definitely worth a look. We give it a 4 out of 5 stars. And the Ninja BL770 AMZ Mega Kitchen System could be yours. We'll be giving ours away to one lucky subscriber. To be in the drawing to win our Ninja Mega Kitchen System, the rules are simple. Just make sure you subscribe to the channel, like this video, and leave a comment in this video with the secret hashtag from today's review. That's it. I hope you were paying attention, but just in case you missed it the first time, you can always go back and watch again. Well, then select a subscriber at random and announce the winner exactly a week from now. Good luck. This has been Review to You, where we review and give to you for free. From Matt and Gary, see you guys next time.